Good morning, everybody. Just messing around. I'm out to take care of my dogs. It is Thursday morning. I hope everybody's having a great day. That is Sophie. Come, Sophie. Good girl. Good girl. Sophie up. Sophie up. Yeah, Sophie, good girl. Sophie set. Sophie, good girl. High five. Good. High five. Good. She's really getting old, so she's slower in her age. I got her when she was 6 weeks. Had her out of North Carolina. She's a really good girl. I'll miss it when she passes on. Hi. I use pedigree for my dogs. Okay. We all get the same thing. And this is the scoop that I use. I want to say it's like, no, it says right there. It's a 4-pint scoop. I usually give her like 2.5 pints because in the summertime her appetite decreases. And then in the wintertime I upgrade her food because they burn more calories in the wintertime.